Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by powering down and removing the SIM, then place the pixel on an ESD mat. Use a heat source around the screen edge to soften adhesive, about 60 to 80 degrees Celsius. Once the glue yields, apply a suction cup and insert a thin pick. You'll work clockwise to open a gap. Make sure to keep screws organized and note ribbon cable locations so you don't lose the sequence as you separate the display from the midframe. Once the midframe is off, you'll see connectors. Battery, display, fingerprint, disconnect them in that order to avoid shorting. Use a plastic spudger to lift ribbon contacts and free the earpiece and sensor assemblies attached to the glass. Transfer small components from the old panel to the new one, aligning shields and brackets as you go. Take pictures if unsure. Reseat each connector firmly. Make sure the fingerprint cable lies flat and unclipped. Before closing, install fresh adhesive or OEM strips around the frame and align the new screen precisely. Reattach midframe and replace screws with gentle torque. Over-tightening can warp the screen. Once assembled but before final compression, power on the phone and test touch responsiveness, fingerprint unlock, cameras, and earpiece audio. If something fails, gently reopen and check connector seating and cable orientation. Commonly, a missed ribbon or trapped adhesive causes faults.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.